faith. But I'd like to order the protocol now. Ngayon lang pumasok sa isip ko. There's going to be a high mass. I will not be there. I will just float along the coastal shores of Samar. And when we are ready to take note, wala kayo nito, no? Huwag na lang muna kayo mag-usap-usap lang muna kayo dyan. It's going to be like this. The American government will give it back to me, then I will give it to the local executives, and the local executives will turn it over to its rightful owner, the people of Baliniga and yung pare doon. Kanila yon. So hanggang dito lang ako. I do not want to hear the mass. I have heard all the masses in the world.